अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आई होप आप लोग सब ठीक होंगे। मेन टॉपिक इस वीडियो का आज हमारी है टेंसेस। बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो है जिसका टॉपिक मेन है टेंसेस। Tensing meaning tenses are the form of taken by verb to show the time of an action or the state of an event. Tenses are There are three tenses: the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Each of three tenses has four forms और subdivision. इसकी अगली फोर है वो है indefinite, continue और imperfect, perfect, perfect, continuous. ये टेबल है ऑफ इंग्लिश टेंसेस का कि प्रेजेंट पे इंडेफिनेट में एस लगता है, कंटिन्यूस में इज़ आर एम होता है लाइक प्लेइंग, परफेक्ट में हैज़ हैव होता है लाइक प्लेड, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में होता है हैज़ हैव बीन प्लेइंग, पास्ट में प्लेड, कंटिन्यूस पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में होता है वाज वर लाइक प्लेइंग, परफेक्ट में हैड प्लेड, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में हैड प्लेड हैड बीन प्लेइंग, फ्यूचर में विल शैल आ जाएगा, कंटिन्यूस में विल शैल बी प्लेइंग, विल शैल हैव प्लेड, परफेक्ट हो गया ये परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस विल शैल हैव बीन प्लेइंग. Indefinite tense does not indicate whether the action is complete or not. Continuous tense that the action is still going on. Perfect tense is indicate that the action is complete, finished or perfect. Perfect continuous indicate that the action began in the past and is still continuing. Simple present tense में आता subject verb or object. Like she goes to school regularly. Affirmative sentence है, negative sentence है, interrogative sentence है. Affirmative में they play, negative they do not play, interrogative do they play, negative interrogative sentence do they not play. Present continuous tense like subject is plus first form is are plus first form plus ing plus object. The present continuous tense is used to express an action which is happening at a particular time in the present or extending over a period of present time. Present perfect tense में subject plus has have plus word की third form plus subject, has singular के लिए, have plural के लिए. Affirmative I have played, negative I have not played, and this was interrogative have I played. Present perfect continuous tense is subject has, have plus been plus first form plus ing plus subject. This is affirmative. We have been playing, we have not been playing, have we been playing. Simple past tense is subject, second verb or object. I played, I did not play, did I play, did I not played. Past continuous में subject plus was verb plus first form plus ing plus subject. First, boys were playing, boys were not playing, were boys playing, were boys not playing. Past perfect tense subject plus had plus verb की third form plus subject. Sahila had played, Sheila had not played, had Sheila played. Past perfect continuous tense subject plus had been plus first form plus subject. Red had been playing, Red had not been playing, had Red had been playing, had Rian not been playing. Simple future tense subject plus will shall plus first form plus subject. Ravi will play, Ravi will not play, will Ravi play, will Ravi not play. Future continuous is subject plus will shall plus first form plus ing plus subject. Affirmative sentence I will be playing, I will not be playing, shall be playing, shall I not be playing. Future perfect tense subject plus shall will plus have plus third form of verb plus subject. She will have played, she will not have played, will she have played, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में आता है सब्जेक्ट शैल विल प्लस हैव बीन प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस सब्जेक्ट। Affirmative में Raj will have been playing, Raj will not have been playing, would Raj have been playing, so sentence with Raj not have been playing. I hope you like this video. This is the video of the tenses of English. Khuda Hafiz.